This here is a 2012 Ford F-550. Got all the doors open and stuff on it because we got a lot of stuff on this truck. Save a little bit of time going over some of the stuff on it. Utility truck, 6.7 liter Powerstroke Diesel engine, automatic transmission. It's got 213,000 miles on it. Pretty much do it all, go over all the extra equipment and stuff like that here in just a second. Take a look at the tires here. Good tires on it, good tread. It's got power locks and windows, vinyl seating. Has all the books and stuff in there. Boxes aren't all rusted out. Got the shelving there. Alright. All the reels that you need here. Each reel's got a different purpose. I'll show you the tanks in the back in just a second so you see what everything's used for. Back up top here. Miller welder. Visor on the back. Towing package as well. Additional storage boxes up on top here. Ooh, climb in as long as I don't fall down. Alright, so you got hydraulic oil, used oil for returns there, motor oil, 25 gallons for the motor, 35 for the used, 50 gallons for the hydraulic here. Also got an air compressor built on up top here. Try not to slip and fall here. Okay. Another hose here is for air compressor there. Inside these boxes here. So you got everything at the top there. Power locks and windows. Like I said, 213 on it. Does have Bluetooth connectivity. Strobe lights there. PTO. You can kind of hear the PTO right now, but as you increase your RPMs, obviously it goes away. It's just where it is in neutral there. Steering wheel controls, cruise control. There's the power locks and windows, and headliner's in good shape. Pretty solid truck here that can pretty much do it all for you, so come on, check her out.